Have you ever imagined moving an entire apartment from the 14th floor without using a regular elevator? In South Korea, apartment moving services use giant hydraulic ladder trucks capable of reaching as high as the 25th floor. From packing an 88-inch television, dismantling massive furniture, to lifting every item through the apartment window, everything is done with incredible speed, precision, and organization. And this is the modern apartment moving process that amazed millions of viewers online. The moving crew begins by positioning a hydraulic ladder truck beneath the customer's apartment in Daegu, South Korea. Wooden support blocks are carefully placed under the hydraulic outriggers to prevent the ground from collapsing under the truck's heavy weight. Once everything is secured, the giant ladder slowly rises toward the apartment on the 14th floor. The view is both impressive and nerve-wracking, as the ladder keeps extending higher and higher into the sky. In fact, this ladder can reach the height of a 25-story apartment building. After reaching the apartment window, the end of the ladder is secured tightly to the window frame for stability during the moving process. An angle indicator system helps the operators maintain a safe load limit while lifting heavy items. Meanwhile, inside the apartment, another team starts protecting the floor using special mats and protective pallets to prevent any damage. Every section is taped carefully so the protective covering will not move during the operation. The crew first lowers unwanted items that will be discarded. After that, the packing process officially begins. Interestingly, every type of item has its own specific packing method according to the company's professional moving standards. Usually, 5 workers are needed to move one apartment. 3 workers focus on packing items inside the house. 1 worker handles the unloading process outside, and another worker loads the items into the moving truck. One of the most interesting moments is watching them pack giant televisions. The 88-inch TV is wrapped with thick sponge protection to absorb shocks during transportation. Meanwhile, the 70-inch television is covered with non-woven fabric and bubble wrap before being placed inside a custom-made protective case. Other fragile items are individually wrapped using air cushioning materials for maximum safety. Items that could be damaged while using the outdoor ladder system are instead transported using the apartment elevator. Bookshelves, desks, and bed frames are dismantled piece by piece. Every furniture component is covered with thick protective materials to prevent scratches and damage. The workers even use special adhesive tape that leaves no marks on the furniture surfaces. The entire packing process usually takes around 3 hours to complete. And surprisingly, everything is handled calmly, efficiently, and with remarkable coordination. Besides moving services, the company also provides waste appliance and discarded furniture collection. Unwanted household items are separated and loaded onto a different vehicle for recycling or proper disposal. Before leaving the old apartment, the team carefully checks every room to ensure nothing is left behind. Once everything is finished, they clean the apartment thoroughly and leave the place spotless. After all the items are loaded, the moving truck heads to the customer's new apartment. And surprisingly, the new apartment is also located in a high-rise building around 17 floors high. The hydraulic ladder system is installed once again. And the packed items are carefully lifted through the apartment window. Inside the new apartment, the crew begins reassembling all the furniture. The bookshelf is rebuilt. The bed is reassembled. The television is moved into its new position. Even the recliner sofa is restored and assembled exactly like before. Meanwhile, food ingredients are stored inside insulated ice boxes to keep them fresh during the moving process. After hours of nonstop work, the entire moving process is finally complete. Watching this operation up close truly shows how advanced and organized apartment moving systems in South Korea have become. From giant hydraulic ladder technology to extremely detailed packaging methods, everything is designed for maximum efficiency and safety. And funnily enough, the cameraman said his neck hurt the next day because he spent the entire filming session looking up at the massive ladder truck. Would you be brave enough to move into a high-rise apartment using a system like this? If you enjoy videos about modern technology, industrial processes, and incredible machines from around the world, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to Tech Universe for more amazing videos.